Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody on Facebook asked how they could do this to make it look like this. So with your walking man selected, I would go to Effects and Contour. Contour to the outside. Well, let's see how big the man is. The man is almost 5 inches wide. So let's contour to the outside 0.5 of an inch. Too much. Let's go 0.25. That's pretty good. And the reason for that, I'm going to show you. Now take your Smart Fill tool and fill in that one and that one. Now we can actually take select our contour and go up to Object, and I'm going to need to select both of them. Go up to Object and break contour apart, and then take your outer contour and just delete it. Now what you can do is just, what I would do is my nudge factor set on, let's set it on 2 inches. Let's nudge that new Smart Fill out of the way. Let's nudge that one out of the way. I'm not looking at the arrow keys. And let's just get rid of these two squares. Now let's put these back. And then I would just personally just fill in the other objects with the Smart Fill tool, and there you go. Now, if you're going to print this, it doesn't matter, but if you got any cutting anywhere, I would definitely right-click No Outline, so it will not cut, just in case you've got some other vector work on the board. But I think that's pretty much a carbon copy. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.